you're collecting with Typeform, but tracking with Google Sheets. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a Typeform response is submitted, add a new row to Google Sheets to capture the submission details. Or build a live intake tracker by adding every Typeform submission to Google Sheets as it comes in. Or even, when a repeat respondent submits a Typeform, update their existing row in Google Sheets to keep records current. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Typeform and Google Sheets, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.